Kazakhstan's aviation industry is rapidly evolving, reaching new heights. At the heart of this transformation stands the Academy of Civil Aviation, the nation's only specialized university offering comprehensive training for aviation professionals in line with international standards. Founded in 1995, the Academy has become a symbol of Kazakhstan's aviation sovereignty and engineering excellence. Here, future experts are trained to shape the aviation of tomorrow, ensuring safety, sustainability, and innovation. The future of Kazakhstan's aviation starts right here. The Academy of Civil Aviation of Kazakhstan offers a full spectrum of aviation education, from technical training to pilot instruction in line with ICAO, EASA, and IATA standards. The training process is based on the NGAP model, emphasizing competency-based learning, flexible individual tracks, and modern technologies. Students study in digital classrooms, on simulators, and in virtual labs, preparing for careers in flight operations, navigation, safety, and unmanned aviation. Since 2024, the Academy has been training UAS and RPAS operators across 3 categories, including remote pilots. The Academy hosts 5 certified training centers. There are 3 international, ICAO FSEC, IATA, ICAO English, and 2 nationals, the Aviation Personnel Training Center and the Flight Training Complex. Its training fleet includes 7 aircraft procedural simulators for Boeing 737 and Airbus 320, and Central Asia's only LSIM simulator. 5 new training aircraft have been procured. The Academy is actively strengthening cooperation with universities and aviation authorities across Europe, Asia, and the Americas, implementing joint degree programs, academic mobility, and collaborative research. As part of its internalization strategy, the Academy is creating a supportive environment for international students and expanding English language instruction. It has been an associate member of ICAO's Trainer Plus since 2024 and is a part of the global Alicanto network. The Academy is undergoing international accreditation through the Aviation Accreditation Board International. Together with international partners, it provides pilot training under EASA Part FCL and engineer training under Part 147. Global recognition reinforces the Academy's role as a regional hub for aviation education export. The Academy has integrated digital technologies across all stages of learning. LMS platforms, VR and AR tools, AI-based scenarios, and simulators are in active use. The Academy actively integrates Coursera and digital learning technologies. In parallel, more than 45 research projects are underway. An endowment fund is being established to support innovation, startups, and infrastructure growth. The Academy has developed its own scientific schools, research laboratories, and trained the first aviation PhDs in Kazakhstan. The Academy aligns with ICAO's global priorities, sustainable development, green aviation technologies, and safety in the skies. From 2000 to 2024, the Academy of Civil Aviation has trained over 12,000 professionals, with more than 80% successfully employed in the industry. Over the past 4 years, student enrollment has increased by 85.6%, reaching a total of 4,063 learners. The Academy has adopted a competency-based training model with a strong focus on hands-on practice, personalized learning path, project-based education, and real-world case studies. All programs meet ICAO, EASA, and IATA standards and are developed in alignment with the Atlas of Emerging Professions. Dual education, industry mentorship, and internships allow students to immerse themselves in real aviation environments from the very first year. Today, more than 200 students are engaged in a dual-track training across 40 specialized enterprises. For 30 years, generations of pilots, engineers, and aviation leaders have grown within these walls. The Academy of Civil Aviation is consistently modernizing its educational infrastructure in line with international standards. In October 2025, the Academy officially opened a modern student residence, providing 482 beds and creating a comfortable living environment with leisure, co-working, and sports areas. This project became a landmark step in the development of student infrastructure and quality of academic life. A dedicated training airfield is being planned, complete with hangars and specialized equipment. Plans include the construction of a technopark with scientific laboratories and a new student dormitory for 500 residents. The flagship project is a new educational campus in Astana, developed through a public-private partnership. It will integrate VR and AR classrooms, scientific labs, a full flight simulator FFS, and a green infrastructure. This is a strategic step toward preparing the next generation of aviation professionals. The Academy of Civil Aviation of Kazakhstan trains the professionals who ensure safety, sustainability, and innovation in the skies of tomorrow. Our initiatives aim to expand access to quality aviation education, attract young people to the profession, and reduce the shortage of skilled personnel. We are modernizing infrastructure, strengthening international collaboration, and integrating into global educational and industrial networks. 30 years is not just history, it is altitude. Academy of Civil Aviation of Kazakhstan, serving the sky through knowledge.